welcome to Erika's Best on location. We are here in Atlanta, Georgia, in my mommy's new home, and we are here and today we are going to be talking all about apples. Apples and apples and apples. We are making homemade apple juice. And you know, I went to the farmer's market down here because that's where you go to get stuff like this. And I was so surprised at how many varieties of apples they have. You know, I know that they have over 400 different varieties of apples, but who knew they had 20 of them or 30 of them at the farmer's market? Did you know that when you first went there?
No.
Well,
No, I do.
well, she has come up with some amazing blends for her apple juice, and she is always looking for other blends, some different apples. So this time the apples she's using are, let me get them.
Just the answer I expected. Now you want to speak. Are you willing to stay here before the meeting gets underway?
Here she comes.
We have the Honey Crisp. We have the Ruby Frost. We have the Fuji. We have the Kanzi. We also have the Pink Lady. And what's the other one? No, we got Fuji. We had Pink Lady. And we had the Envy. And is that it?
That's 6.
Is that it?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, Envy. Yes. So we're doing 6 different varieties of apples for this apple juice. And right now we're just juicing all the apples, cutting them into quarters like this, and putting them through the juicer and juicing. So we'll be right back once we have all the apples juiced and ready to process into apple juice. So see you in a few. Welcome back to Erika's Best. We are here processing our apple juice, and here's our first batch of apple juice coming out. Let me adjust the camera so you can see it. So this is the first batch of apple juice coming out. We have 4 jars, and whoo, they hot. They hot. We have another 4 in the water bath, waiting to boil. So I'm here in the kitchen with my mom, and she is just processing away. She is processing apple juice, getting all the jars ready. You have to wash the jars, get them clean, and then once they're clean, then you can load them up with the juice, the hot juice. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So welcome back to Erika's Best. We are still filling up jars, making our apple juice. So far, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gallons of apple juice and counting.
Yes, counting.
We still have more juice in the bucket of juiced apples to still finish processing. But right now we're at about 8 gallons already in process. So we will see you once the process is. Erika's Best. The apple juice making project is finished, and it has taken all day. It has been an early morning project that has lasted all day. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to introduce my mom, Miss Pauletta Miles.
Hi, everyone.
And I am here visiting with her here in Atlanta. And she was on one of her apple juice making project days today. This is 6 cases of different apples, all blended to make one apple juice blend. She has 12 gallons of juice made from 6 cases of apples. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you stopping by, and I have some more great videos for you for while I'm here in Atlanta. Thanks for watching.